Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're having an issue with the Windows Update error KB5029244, that there were some problems in the updates, but we'll try again. If you keep seeing this and want to search the web for contact support for informations, this may help with the error code 0x870490. So potential reasons for this error is conflicts with the pre-existing system files, compatibility issues with the certain hardware or software configurations, and incomplete or corrupted downloads. And then I'll show you some solutions that it could help you to fix this issue. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to restart or enable relevant services. So certain services must be running for Windows Update to install properly. If they are disabled or not running correctly, then restarting or enabling them. So all you have to do is to open up in Windows Search, and then here at Search for Apps, and then type Services, and then click Open. And once you open up here at Services, and then locate Background Intelligence Transfer Service. So if it is already running, and then right click and select Restart. Right, so we need to select this Background Intelligence Transfer Service. So select and right click, and then select Restart because this is already running. So click Restart and wait to complete the restart process. And next step, so select and double click again. So here at General Properties, and then here at the Startup Type, and then click this arrow, and then select Automatic, and then click Apply, and click OK. Alright, so if the service is not running, and then double click, and then automatically select Automatic. Right, so repeat this process at Windows Update. So scroll down, and then we need to find this Windows Update. And once you find this Windows Update, so same procedure, so select and right click, and then select Restart, and wait to complete the restart process. And after that, so same here, so select and double click, and then here at General Properties, so here at the Startup Type, so select Automatic, click Apply, and then click OK. Alright, and the other keyword is the cryptographic service. So scroll up, and then we need to find this cryptographic service. So same procedure, select and right click, and then select Restart, and wait to complete the restart process. And then select and double click again. At here at General Properties, and then select Automatic, and then click Apply, and then click OK. Alright, so after here at Services, and the other solutions we will do is to run the Windows Update troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to click here at Windows Search, and here at Search for Apps, and then type Troubleshoot Settings, and then click Open. And then you need to select Other Troubleshooters. And here at Other Troubleshooters, and then you need to select this Windows Update at on right side, and then tap this Run. And wait to complete the detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. And troubleshooting has completed. So you can see here that problems found. So one problem issue here is about the Windows Update. So all you have to do is to follow only whatever the instructions you can see here at troubleshootings, and then you need to follow to fix the error. So after here, and then close, and then here at Start menu, and then you need to restart again. So click only Restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix with the error when installing Windows Update KB5029244. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.